Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.23. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -5.93%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.85% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a strong buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $161.22 is breached, it would signal a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 12.69% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -13.51% and +3.95%. Expanding our view to the long term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 14.03%. According to our estimations, the stock's performance could vary between 13.27% and 46.47% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $184.36 and $238.40. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Red Day on Thursday for Google stock after losing 2.6%. The Google stock price fell by 2.6% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, from $167.11 to $162.76. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.48%, with a low of $162.11 and a high of $166.13. The price has seen significant movement recently, resulting in a loss of 3.41% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, though this was accompanied by falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 30 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.82 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $207.05, while the lowest price was $140.03. Currently, the price is 21.39%, or $44.29, below the 52-week high, and 93.35%, or $2,286.16, below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Google is making strides in personalizing user experiences with their latest feature rollout for Gemini, allowing users to connect their artificial intelligence assistant to their search history. This innovation could significantly enhance user engagement and retention, potentially boosting Google's advertising revenue in the short term as more personalized interactions lead to better targeted ads. In contrast, Google faces legal challenges from Brave Software, a rival search engine, regarding copyright issues tied to News Corp content. While this litigation could create uncertainties, it also highlights the competitive landscape, prompting Google to strengthen its value proposition amid rising competition. On a positive note, there were recent developments showing Google's stock rose by 1.8% after reversing earlier weaknesses, indicating investor confidence amidst NASDAQ corrections. Additionally, Waymo, Google's self-driving subsidiary, appears primed to become a significant growth driver by monetizing rides through integrated services. This sets the stage for sustained revenue growth in the future. Overall, these developments highlight a mixed but promising outlook for Google, with potential short-term volatility possibly offset by long-term growth from innovative advancements and strategic pivots. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10th, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7th, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21st, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts award the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Currently, Google stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at $168.43 and $182.99. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, March 7th, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 6.38%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average pointed to a sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and when combined with healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.02 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.48%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.80%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $185.20. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 5th of March, 2025, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider purchase of 121,779 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 5th of March, 2025, Schindler Philip conducted an insider purchase of 143,270 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 5th of March, 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider purchase of 116,407 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider purchase of 800,000 shares of Class C Capital stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider sale of 800,000 shares of Class C Capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 23.377. Overall, insiders purchased 2,886,640 shares and sold 1,781,051 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of March, we expect Google to open higher by 91 cents, starting at $163.67. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.